Behind every great product is a dedicated team. Today, meet the people who make fountain foods possible.
Hi, I'm Jesse, and I'm in charge of quality assurance here at Fountain Foods. It is my job in ensuring that every product produced here is safe, consistent, and also compliant with GMP and regulatory standards. I monitor all stages from raw material reception to final packaging while enforcing and also developing SOPs, conducting inspections, and also coordinating tests when they have to be done. I'm also responsible for training personnel here on hygiene and quality practices, as well as driving continuous improvement through corrective actions and also risk assessments. Quality is important to me because, well, it's more than compliance, and it's about protecting the health of our customers. It's about maintaining their trust in the brand that's Fountain Foods. And also, it's about maintaining the consistency in terms of quality or safety of our products.
Hi, my name is Isaaca Efibadade, the production manager for Fountain Foods. As the production manager, my primary responsibility is to convert raw materials into finished products as efficiently as possible without compromising on quality. I balance daily output targets with long-term goals, such as reducing operational costs and increasing machine uptime. I serve as the bridge between upper management goals and the reality on the technical floor. Beyond brand reputation, quality is about consumer safety and regulatory compliance. Maintaining rigorous standards could prevent recalls and audits that could jeopardize the entire facility's operations.
I am Yahaya Abdullahi. I am the Safety and Machine Maintenance Officer here at Fountain Food. I ensure that every machine is calibrated to exact specification so that the output is consistent and safe for machinists. Safety matters because in maintenance, small machine deviation can lead to product and process failure. For example, if the cutting machine is not maintained, it can lead to damaged products and introduce contaminants. By maintaining high equipment standard, I am not just preventing downtime, but also ensuring that every product that comes from here is safe.
Hi, my name is Henrietta. I am the marketing and sales officer here at Fountain Foods. I create brand visibility and drive sales by ensuring that our products are safely delivered to our retailers and our other distributors. I also ensure that customer feedbacks are communicated to the production team to maintain the quality of our products. Quality matters to me because it builds trust between our brand and our customers.
We are united by purpose. To produce food we're proud to feed our own families.
These are the hands behind the food you trust. Fountain Foods, adding value, saving time.